Hi everyone, this is Ryan Schofield showcasing my Labview project for engineering programming at Oregon Tech. So I built a 2-channel function generator with an O-Scope attached. So right now, this blue readout up here is from channel 2. If I want to mess around with that, I can change the frequency here. This thing goes all the way up to 20,000 hertz, which just gets a little bit harder to distinguish at that level. We can also change the volts per division so we can see a little bit more clearly. And you can change what kind of signal you have. So right now we're set square. We can also see a triangle wave, and we can do sawtooth. We can also add noise, either Gaussian or uniform, and adjust that noise down here. Here for our amplitude, and let's see. We can activate a trigger, hold the signal steady. We can also bring in our channel 1, put noise on that if we want, and we can also trigger that signal as well. You can move the position of these vertically and horizontally as well. And again, you can change your volts per division over here. When you're ready, you can set it back to 0 with this. And let's see, your channel here also changes your display and readout over here. So again, I can change my different types of waves over on this one here, and there's the DC available as well. Let's see, what else? I've also got the availability to save the data here with this right button, and you can also get different readouts on the O-Scope display. So you can also check out our FFT. So we've got that here. Again, we can change things around here. Check out your offset here. And again, we can check out what the displays are here. If we want to take a visual here of the graph, we can do that here. So this will show you what we got here. And here I have 2 separate graphs. I actually have 2 different images here saved on the same file, but 2 different distinct images. Anyways, that's what I've got here for my project. Hope you've enjoyed. Thank you.